Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you this Easywox handheld blower. What I like about it is it's just small, it's convenient. So if you have big leaf blowers and things like that, you have to store them. They have these big batteries you got to take off and put them on a charger and that sort of thing. What this comes with is just an instruction manual, a cord that you can plug in right on the back of there, and you can charge with it. And it takes about 3 hours to charge it up. It's got one little power button in the back that's right there. And it's got a good handle to it, so it's not super heavy. It's nice and convenient where you can just charge and go with it, and there's nothing to it. So you can store that in a drawer if you want, right? And so what I use it for is a lot of different things. So I use it for, in the south, we seem to have a lot of bugs in our porch and things like that. So when you want to blow the bugs or the spider webs or anything off your porch, it's really easy to do with this. And you can just get rid of, like, you can see the spider webs there. And you can do that to get rid of those things. And it's also really good for leaf blowing. It's good for grass. It's good for all the stuff that you want to just blow off. So you can see. So another good thing is any grass, mulch, anything that you want to blow off your driveways, you can do that really quick. Leaves, it does a great job on leaves. And like I said, it's almost got a kick to it. It's got so much power. So it's really kind of nice for that. The other thing is I like to use it when I'm cleaning my cars so I can get majority of water off it before I actually just give it a last minute wipe down. So it's really great for that. So let me show you that. So as you can see, it kind of simulates like going through that last big blower at the car wash where it gets all the water kind of pushed off it. And then you still, I still go back over it, but I just can use like a one microfiber just to give it a last bit shine. But it does a great job of car work and getting things out of the car and that sort of thing. So it's really a convenient thing. It's lightweight. It's got a nice big handle on it, so it's easy to grip. Got one power button, one charging button, and this is it. This is all it comes with. So those big leaf blowers, you don't have to do anything with those big leaf blowers. This is all, charges in 3 hours, and it lasts a really decent amount of time as well. So our dog likes to dig in the mulch on our nice white patio, so this works really well for that. Almost too well. So I'll put a link in the description below to this Easywox blower. It's got a great amount of power to it. So that's it. We'll see you next time. Thanks.